by moonlight, winning love by daylight, never running from a real fight. She is the one named Sailor Moon. She will never turn her back on her friends. She is always there to defend. You ready? Yo, what's good? Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Bella. How you doing? Today's video is the Sailor Moon palette by Colourpop called the Pretty Guardian palette by Colourpop. We're gonna do 2 looks with this one palette. Let's go. Hello guys, how you doing? So I tried to grab this the first round and unfortunately it sold out, and I'm really upset with USPS. Like, what the fuck is going on with this box? Like, do you see this? So we're going to use this on palette. See, I don't have a cat, but I have this. It kind of looks like a cat. Same attitude. Same entitlement. She thinks I'm her peasant. Personal peasant. We're gonna do look 1. I'm so excited. Ew, girl. That's how I feel looking at this. She's smaller than expected, but what we're working with. I don't know what the first look's going to be. We're gonna set the lid with Shining Moon. Actually, we're gonna set the crease. This is too dark for the whole lid situation. I just realized that Shining Moon is not matte. There's a little bit of sparkle. We're gonna take Twilight Flash. And we're gonna deepen the crease with that. So I just added it to the crease. I decided to blend it up a little bit more and out just because that other color was kind of shimmery. Here's where we'll... Okay, next color. I think we're gonna do a neutral look. We're gonna grab Moon Castle right here, and we're gonna put that like in the outer corner. So I'm bringing it like down and then up into the crease and like that corner right there. Do you see the difference? I'm just blending it up a little bit. I like that a lot, actually. That's super cute. Girl. Who is she? Got a new wig on, new bitch. Who is? Next color. You know, I always say I'm gonna do a halo eye and then I get in between and forget. The next one's gonna be a halo eye. Hopefully I remember. Now the next color I'm going to use, since we're doing a neutral look. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at those. It's hard to decide. Well, we got the silver and the pink hair, so I think we're gonna go with silver crystal. Yes. Yes, girl, yes. Silver crystal. And then get a flat brush. One that doesn't have shit on it. In the pan, it looks a lot darker than how it shows up on the eye. But then again, this is with a dry brush. We're gonna wet it once I get it on the other side and see if once I wet it, it's more pigmented. Oh, this is super cute. Okay, let's wet the brush and see what happens. I love the way that Hangover watermelon smells. So this is the eye with the wet brush and this is with the dry. I don't really see a difference. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of Colourpop formulas anyway. I think this is like the third. This is my third palette from Colourpop. The only reason I bought this because Sailor Moon was one of my favorite cartoons when I was a little girl. I used to get excited to come home from school and I would put it on the VHS. In the VHS player, I would put a tape and I would record every episode. I got in trouble a couple times because I recorded over family videos in the VHS, or I destroyed tapes. If you remember those days, leave a comment down below. I'm showing my true age. Okay, now that we're done with the shimmer, I think we're gonna leave this like that. I was thinking of maybe bringing that orange shade into the crease more, but I think I'm gonna leave it. It's cute. I'm gonna do the rest of my face makeup and we be right back. Okay, go grab a snack or something. My dog's trying to attack somebody outside. I'll be back. So this is the finished look for look one. Girl, she cute. I did use the blush that came with the collection and the packaging's so cute. There's Luna, her cat, and I love the packaging. It's like holographic. Why is it not changing right now? I think I have to move it this way. But that's what I used on my cheeks. This is very, very pigmented. If I was you, I'd be very careful with this. So what I did was I picked it up on my brush and then I just tapped it on my wrist like a lot because it's very, very pink. And then I just tapped it up to my temples. Anything else I used on my face, I'll put that in the description below. So what do you guys think? You like this look? Oh, and of course, the lashes I use are my Mikiwi. I'll link them down below. I got these ears in my nerd haul. If you want to watch that, I'll link that up here when it's available. Got some good stuff. And let's not forget the shirt, which I also got in my nerd haul, if you want to watch. Hi guys, I'm back for look numero dos. So we have our face ready to go. I wasn't trying to make this video super long. Let me zoom y'all in so you can see what I'm doing. Up close and personal. Shagots, I like this. This is a whole look. Okay, ooh, where are my ears? I forgot the ears. Let's put the ears back on. Yes, 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 queen, yes. Okay, let me stop dicking around. We're going back in. And we're going to do a little different approach this time. I think to set my lid, those are both shimmery as fuck. To do the crease, we're gonna go in with Moon Castle again. No, let's do something different. We're gonna go in with, ooh, they're all shimmery. The only matte one is this one. Miracle Romance. I have a hard time deciding anything in life. We're going to go in with Tuxedo Rose. Did we use this already? I feel like we did. Okay. We're gonna go in with Love into the crease. Let's grab a brush, guys. So just gonna put that in the crease. Windshield wiper motions. And then we're gonna blend that up into the brow. Then we're gonna bring that right in the corner. We're gonna bring that like out and up. That's English, right? And yet again, had every intention of doing a halo eye. And here we are. Maybe next time. Okay, so we done took Love in the corner. Now, I feel like I want to deepen this up with Miracle Romance. I'm gonna deepen up the crease with this color, Miracle Romance. I'm gonna use a different brush. It's a smaller shader brush. It's from the Jeffree Star Morphe collection. So we're gonna go in here. Yes, 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 yes. And we're going to put that right in the crease. Don't mind my fat ass dog slurping on her water in the background, click clacking around. She thinks she owns the house. I swear she's a cat, but she's a chihuahua. Oh, that's super cute. I don't really like pink or like that, but that's super cute. I think I'm gonna take this yellow and then put something on top right there that is Justice. We're into like a sunset moment. So she's pigmented. Now I'm just blending that in with the pink. Ooh, this looks gold in the pan, but look how pink that is. Ooh, that's so pretty. Maybe an inner corner moment? What do you guys think? Yes, yes, yes. Sometimes I have to put things next to my face to visualize them. I can't even say this. Mare Serenitatis. Mare Serenitatis. We're gonna take that color. It looks gold, but it's a pretty pink. We're gonna take around a little brush. And we're going to put her in the inner corner right here. So I'm just putting her in the inner corner and blending her up and then down across the lower lash line. I'm going to dust this powder off, finish the rest of my face makeup. We'll be back for the final thoughts and reveal. See you in a second. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. What do you think? Do you like look number 1 or look number 2 better? Honestly, I am not a fan of bright colors like this, but I think I like look number 2 better. It's a little bit more outside my comfort zone. I don't do pink, I do nude lips. So yeah guys, so let me know in the comment section which look you like better. This palette, what am I gonna rate this out of? Oh boy, I ain't trying to be biased. This palette, the only reason why I got this is because this was like my favorite. I was obsessed with this cartoon. I would draw Sailor Moon all the time. Me as myself as Sailor Moon. I fantasized about me and tuxedo guy, whatever his name is. And that's the only reason I got this. The color story is not really my speed, but I do appreciate the purples. I'm really not a pink girl, but I like the neutrals. The shimmers in here are bomb. And it's a cute balance between neutral and bright colors. So she's cute, she blends good. The colors are a little bit bright for me, but I like them. This palette, especially because I waited so long for it, Jesus. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Only because there's no mirror. And I mean, I really can't complain. Like, how many eyeshadow palettes am I gonna want with all dark colors? So this is a fresh breath of air for me. And this look is so cute. If they still have it in stock, I would get the blush and the eyeshadow palette. The blush is not my typical color that I would go for. Do you see how obnoxiously pink that is? But the way I applied it, it's so pretty on the cheeks. It's definitely a little bit more toned down. This is definitely something different. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, whatever. Don't forget to subscribe. That's the most important part. Push me into the YouTube algorithm. You see? You get more content. Don't you want more content? I love you guys. Bye. These ears is a look. I might go to Tarte like this. It's something by daylight. Fuck. How many takes is this gonna take? This palette is so cute. It's really not my type of color story, to be honest. Bitch, get your life together.